This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for property tax using an easy method. Applying for property tax can seem daunting, but with a clear approach, it's quite manageable. We'll walk through the essential steps to ensure a smooth process. First, understanding the basics and gathering your documents is key. Then, locating your local tax office or online portal will set you on the right path. Having all your documents ready before you begin is a huge time saver. You'll need your property deed to prove ownership, along with a valid form of personal identification. Don't forget to include any recent property appraisal or assessment notices you've received. If you qualify for any exemptions, like a homestead exemption, make sure those forms are also prepared and ready to submit. Once your documents are organized, it's time to tackle the application itself. You can usually find the official form on your local tax assessor's website or pick one up in person. Take your time to fill out every required field accurately. Precision is crucial here. Remember to attach all your supporting documents as instructed. Before you hit submit or mail it, give your entire application a thorough review for any potential errors. After carefully completing and reviewing your application, the final step is submission. Make sure to use the designated channel, whether it's online, by mail, or in person. It's always a good idea to keep a complete copy of your submitted application and all supporting documents for your records. Afterward, keep an eye on your application status and be ready to provide any additional information the tax office might request to finalize your property tax assessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.